Have you ever designed a logo in photo editing programs and struggled to combine text and shapes into one clean design? Did you know that you can do it in PowerPoint easily? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to merge text and shapes into a single shape so your logos look sharp, scalable, and professional, all of them in PowerPoint, and you can save the output as PNG or any other format of the file. Let's get started. I'll show you how to do this in PowerPoint. If you go to Insert tab and then in the illustration part, Shapes, you can find different kind of shapes. I prefer these simple ones. You can design any kind of logo with with combining these simple ones. I use the simplest one as it's a rectangle here, but to make it more interesting, I will add a oval here like this. I copy this and paste in another part. Now I have three shapes. You can add any kind of shape you want. It's just an example. If you select all of them and select shape outline as no outline, it's better by adding a text box and writing a text. I will write Ben Academy. By changing the font and increasing the size a bit smaller and wider, I can move it to the center of this shape. It seems to be okay, but I prefer to make it capital. By going to font menu and selecting all caps, we can see that it's now capital. I prefer to write logos like this. It's up to you. By selecting hold shapes and text and going to drawing tool and then merge shapes, there are some options. The best one is combine like this. If you select it, you can see that it's combined together, and you can scale it, you can move it, and you can see that it's transparent. You can see the text or shape behind the logo. You can change the color if you want by going to shape fill. You can change it to any color you want. I prefer the blue, or you can make it red or any other color. And by right click and choosing save as picture, you can save it as PNG or any kind of file format. I prefer the PNG and I recommend you to use PNG because PNG is a transparent file and you can use it in your documents in Microsoft Word, Excel, or any other software in Photoshop or anywhere. And it's much professional to use it as transparent, and you can view the text or image anything behind the logo in this way. I hope this trick is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question about this topic or any other topics in Microsoft Office, you can write your comments. I answer all of them immediately. See you.